Who doesn't want to make money? I think all of us, no matter how our background is, want to be independent, and that's the best thing that we can do for ourselves. Earning is a hard job, but don't you worry. The world has evolved so much that you can easily earn by just sitting at your phone or laptop or any device connected to the internet. Earning online is so easy that you want to keep on doing it and won't even have to go out for it. Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video from EarnPal. In today's video, we'll talk about online work, how to get paid, several ways to get paid, and discuss the easiest way to earn, that is earning $5 every 10 seconds. Let's get started. What exactly is online earning and how can I go about doing it? It's basically the same as a work, but it's done over the internet, so all you need is a laptop or any other device that can be connected to the internet and you'll get paid for it. There are a variety of ways to earn money. The truth is that there are legitimate ways to earn money, and millions of individuals do so every day. There are many of business ideas you may attempt at home utilizing a laptop and a reliable internet connection. From freelance digital nomads to savvy marketers to aspiring entrepreneurs. Start dropshipping, for example. Dropshipping's popularity is steadily expanding according to Google Trends, demonstrating its feasibility as a means to generate money online. There's plenty of proof that dropshipping is a viable method to make money online, with success stories like how an entrepreneur made $6,667 in 8 weeks, or how a store owner made 6 figures just selling one product. If you're not familiar with the word dropshipping, it refers to a business model in which you sell a product to a customer, but the supplier stores, packages, and ships it on your behalf. You can choose from millions of products to sell on your website with Oberlo Dropshipping. Oberlo's toolbox allows you to customize your business by handpicking product images, changing item descriptions, and handpicking product photos. Try using print on demand. There are dozens of ways to earn a bit of extra cash, and many of them don't have time commitments. Want to get $5 every 10 seconds? There's so many ways for just that. Like on Survey Junkie, you can earn up to $50 per survey with the highest paying survey site on the web. You join Survey Junkie now. On Swagbucks, make money watching videos, taking surveys, shopping online, and more. On Mistplay, you earn free cash by playing games online with friends from your mobile phone. Join Mistplay now for a 50-unit bonus. And on LifePoints, you can earn free money by sharing your opinion while on the phone. What is Swagbucks and how does it work? Swagbucks is a prominent online money-making site. This website and app are used by millions of people all around the world to earn cash and gift cards. Users are compensated in SB for completing simple activities. They are around 1 cent worth of points. Thousands of tasks are available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and the majority of them only take a few minutes. Take surveys, watch videos, answer polls, read emails, and more to earn money. How Inbox Dollars work. Inbox Dollars is another GPT website and app like Swagbucks. For 18 years, this platform has been a go-to method for making money online. Inbox Dollars members get paid anywhere from a few cents to a few dollars per task. Popular tasks include taking surveys, browsing the web, completing trial offers, opening emails, and more. Every task is worth a set amount of money, and users get paid via paper check or gift card. How does Ibotta work? Ibotta is a well-known receipt scanning app with a positive reputation. When consumers buy ordinary home items, groceries, and other items, Ibotta gives them a cashback. They work with thousands of retailers, and each one typically has over 100 deals. This makes it extremely simple for users to get cashback when purchasing products that they currently require. Once a purchase is made, a user simply takes a picture of the receipt through the Ibotta app. Ibotta also features many different bonus opportunities that change on a monthly basis. Exact earnings 100% depend on each user's shopping habits and frequency. However, it's very easy to earn $5 per shopping trip. iPoll also helps you earn money. Since 2008, iPoll has been a popular international survey app. The platform claims to have paid out more than $24 million in incentives to customers in more than 30 countries. Users are compensated to take survey on products and services they use, similar to other apps and websites. Users can be paid in cash or with gift cards through PayPal. iPoll also gives bonuses to users who complete certain milestones. How to earn $5 or more with iPoll? The primary way you earn money with iPoll is by taking surveys. There are endless user reviews online that discuss survey pay and length. The workings of Fusion Cash. Fusion Cash is a similar GPT site to the others on this list. Since 2005, the platform has provided users with a variety of opportunities to earn money. There are lots of chores listed 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, so you'll never run out of money. Taking surveys, watching movies, completing trial offers, and clicking partner adverts are just a few of the jobs available. PayPal is the method via which users can cash out their earnings. There are also lots of other ways of making money without having to go for it. One of the most common ways to generate money online is through affiliate marketing. Its popularity has risen and fallen over the years, but it remains to be a reliable way to earn money online. The wonderful aspect about affiliate marketing is that you can work for almost any brand, from Shopify to Amazon to Uber to FabFitFun as an associate. Some people decide to launch a YouTube channel. We did the same thing. If others can make money on YouTube, so can you. The highest paid YouTuber in 2018 was Ryan, a 7-year-old who evaluates things on his channel and earned $22 million. Make your own online course. One of the most effective ways to make money online is to share your knowledge. You can monetize your knowledge by developing online courses if you're an expert on a subject. You can sell your course on Udemy or on your own website if you already have a following. With online courses, some entrepreneurs can earn up to $5,000 per month. Consider working as a freelancer. The simplest method to generate money online is to take your present 9-to-5 job and work it from home. If you're a writer, administrative assistant, graphic designer, teacher, or developer, for example, you may promote your services and find clients eager to pay for them online. There's also an endless variety of websites dedicated to each type of freelancing job. Freelancing writers, for example, can apply for employment on specialist online writing job boards, as well as general freelancing websites such as Fiverr, Freelancer, Upwork, and others. If your employment doesn't offer any direct online money-making opportunities, check for other transferable abilities that you may have. Don't sign up with any website that requires a fee for accessing paid online surveys. Look for privacy statements and disclaimers. Read them carefully. The harder a website defends itself as not a scam, the more likely it is a scam. Search for posts about the company on sites like scam.com and ripoffreport.com. Trust your gut. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. That's it for today's video, guys. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. What do you think about this earning? Share your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video, and we'll catch you guys next time.